Today's post was really interesting. I used to work for an insurance carrier and a TPA, and we focused on property and casualty. So looking at this trend, I'm really not surprised that more insurance carriers are entrusting more claims to TPAs. And in fact, this year, more claims than ever are going to be turned over from insurance carriers to TPAs for handling. The property and casualty insurance industry is valued at over $1 trillion globally and is increasingly relying on TPAs to streamline claims management. The insurance industry is poised for remarkable growth, with forecasts indicating a 5.5% annual expansion over the next decade. Now, that's according to the Alliance Global Insurance Report, and I'll put that in a link to that in the post as well. But a lot of you are asking why? Why are carriers turning to TPAs? Well, there's a lot of compelling reasons, so I'll put them in layman's terms to keep it simple. The first one is obvious. Saving money, right? TPAs help insurance companies save money by managing claims for less than it costs them to do it in-house. So they're experts at what they do, and they use certain tools that cut down on costs. And I saw this again firsthand when I switched roles from being an adjuster at a carrier to the TPA side. In fact, the claims system itself, while impressive at both organizations, was far more superior for the line of business I was handling, and the overall processes were much more streamlined. The other compelling reason is high-tech tools. So TPAs use cutting-edge technology. I have to be careful there, like AI and data analysis to handle claims faster and with fewer mistakes. So in a lot of cases, their tech is even better than what insurance companies have. And according to PwC, insurers allocate about 70% of their yearly IT budgets to maintaining outdated systems. 70%. Whew. Which is increasingly unable to meet the demands of modern insurance operations. I do have an article on that too. It's called Relic versus Resilient or something like that. I'll put the link in. The other compelling reason is flexibility. So TPAs tend to be a bit more flexible, which helps insurance companies handle busy and slow times a little more easily. And they can add more workers or move resources around during claim spikes like after big storms. Their advanced technology also helps process lots of claims quickly, and we talked about that earlier, and their flexible staffing means they can handle unpredictable workloads. So whether it's helping with a short-term project or more complex claims, you're gonna see that. And then, of course, expert knowledge. So some TPAs specialize in handling specific kinds of claims like car accidents or natural disasters. Heck, even when COVID hit, we had a special team that just focused on COVID claims by client. So that's pretty impressive. So it means that there's skills and knowledge that the insurance companies might not have. So again, another one could be handling high volume cases. I know Sedgwick has specialized teams and tools for managing auto-related claims, and they used advanced technology like photo-based estimating and automated workflows. So that's something. And I also too, not just at Sedgwick, but at AXA, I think in California did something similar with their COVID reporting, but I don't have that at the tip of my fingers. So I'll look at that a little more and put that in there. And then the other compelling reason and why they're turning to TPAs is staying legal. So the insurance rules can be really complicated and they're always changing. So the TPAs make sure that claims are handled the right way, or at least they say that they are, staying up to date on legal stuff. So it could be like HIPAA compliance, state regulations, adjuster licensing, all of that. And by staying on top of those changes, the TPAs then, of course, protect the carriers from potential penalties and lawsuits, ensuring that claims are processed fairly and within the bounds of the law. So let's face it, when it all comes down to it, it's really all about money. So for insurance companies, outsourcing the claims to TPAs isn't just about convenience, it's a smart financial move. So in short, TPAs offer a lot of bang for the buck, helping carriers streamline their claims processes while keeping their wallets happy. And I'm sure there's a lot more to it than that. I'm oversimplifying, of course, but in theory, it's a win-win. Lower costs, fewer headaches, higher quality results. See ya.
Elevate the narrative.